guys are well. It's been a while, hey, and we're in a new year. Happy 2025. Yeah, I'm standing in a shower, but I can explain, hey, I can explain. So remember last year we purchased a new home, and then we were adjusting or making renovations to the house in accordance to what we like. Yeah, and now we're in the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom is done. It's been done for months now, and the only thing that's needed is just aesthetics by Diona. It's done. So this was the inspiration behind the bathroom. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm standing in a shower, sorry about that. So that was the inspiration for the bathroom. We just wanted something simple, something that's not gonna take up too much space. We can still move around in this bathroom. Something bright, something like simple, like minimal. So that was the vibe, that was the inspiration. So in this video I'm gonna take you through the process from the beginning, and then show you the results, and yeah, I hope you like this video, hey. So this is how the bathroom looked before. Nabona guys, na nguthi I it was functional, but there was like different tiles. The layout was just a bit off, and there's not a lot of space to work with from the beginning. So I had to do a little bit of shopping, just browsing around different shops, checking prices and comparing prices. So this first shop, there was a lot of options here, and then I decided on putting subway tiles. I decided to put the white subway tiles instead of the black ones. And I just had to look around and just browse and just ask around with regards to the prices. This was the first quotation that we got. That's for like tiles only. This is the second one. And then we ended up settling at Leroy Merlin for these this price. And then this is how it looked at the beginning. So this is the demolishing phase. And this was when they were done with the tiling. The bottom is like a glossy black color. And then there by the corner of the shower, you will see in the next clip, these little gray, I don't know what they're called, guys. I don't really know the terminology. Yo, shame. But yeah, this is how it looked when it was tiled. There was white grout in between the tiles, just to make it a bit uniform. And yeah, the accessories, we got them from so the accessories I'm talking about, the shower head, the bathroom taps, yeah, we got them from One Day Only. And then this mirror, yo guys, this mirror, I can't say where I bought it from because it was from Facebook Market, but yeah, it didn't come with the light was just something that we added afterwards, just to make the space more interesting. And yeah guys, this is the final results.